Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The last of the 12 Hakka festivals is the traditional end-of-season drama. December marks the end of the harvest season, and this celebration is held in appreciation of blessings from the gods over the past year. Traditional dramas are performed in the festival, which, as well as expressing thankfulness, also marks a time for Hakka people to gather and enjoy banquets together.
Hey, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine Lim Zep Siu. And now it's the month of December, the end of the year. There's got to be a lot of traditions and festivals that take place with the Hakka culture. 我相信，因为现在12月，一年的最后一个月，又是冬天。客家文化里应该有一些节庆就是在这个时候在举办的吧？
哦，我们有一个活动哦，叫做客家收东西。
客家收东西，这是什么东西？
就客家的收东西。
收东西要收什么东西？
不是啦，收东西啊，冬天的冬。
哦，冬天的戏剧这样子东西。Oh, okay. So this is actually an end of season, end of winter in particular, festival that takes place in the Hakka culture, 叫做收东戏。怎么讲？
收东西。
收东西 ，OK 那这个收东西是为了有什么原因吗？还是
当然了，
感觉是要收冬了嘛，对不对？
对，12月嘛，就是大家忙了一整年之后呢，就在这一天，我们就会办一些请一些戏班过来啊，我们要酬谢这个神明，感谢神明这一年来的保佑然后这个戏班在演戏的时候呢，就大家就反正比较没事了嘛，就跟着一起看戏啊，然后大家就聚在一起庆祝，吃吃喝喝这样子
所以大家应该很多亲朋好友都会一起来，对不对？All right, so this festival takes place.Because it's the end of the year, it's winter time, the farmers have harvested, and they want to thank all the gods and the blessings that they've given to the families, of course, over the year. And so they invite dancing troupes and performance troupes to perform, and everyone have a good time together, of course, inviting a lot of families and friends together for this gathering. 所以这是一个很好的团聚的时候了。
对
团聚顺便教一下怎么讲。
团聚。
团聚 that means a gathering people together. And again, the end of season or winter festival, it's called 收东西。
收东西，它有另外一个名称叫做平安戏。
平安戏，对不对？
平安戏。
So this is also known as a peaceful festival, 平安戏。And there you have it, all about the Hakka culture on Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.